drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Such a sweet blow. Started hoping that you'd stay. If we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Never thought I'd call and run. You laugh you, 'cause I love